So far, you have understood finding arithmetic mean, which is possible for quantitative measurement. But there is a need to measure qualitative aspects of a distribution also. And for that, one needs to depend on positional averages. Positional averages determine the position of variable in given set of data. And for that, median and mode are the most important positional averages. So let us begin with finding median in individual series. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. In the previous videos, you have learned about calculating arithmetic mean, that is quantitative in nature. But one needs to measure even the qualitative aspects of a distribution. And for that, we depend on positional averages. These positional averages determine the position of variable in a given set of data. So median, quartiles, and mode are the most important positional averages, as these are computed on the basis of their position in the statistical series. We shall now begin with median in individual series. So far, you have understood that arithmetic mean gets affected by the extreme values in the set of data. But when one tries to find the positional average, it is not affected by the extreme values. Let us learn about median. A median is the positional value of the variable that divides the distribution into two equal parts. One part comprises of all values greater than or equal to median value, and the other part comprises of all values less than or equal to the median value. So the median is the middle element when the data set is arranged in order of the magnitude, that is either in ascending or in descending order. Now, one can estimate median in individual series, discrete series, and in continuous series. Right now, we shall focus on finding median in individual series. Let us now understand how is median estimated in an ungrouped data with the help of an illustration. This illustration is about the wages of employees in a factory. Wages have been given for 6 workers. We need to find the median wage. So the first step that we need to do is to find out the number of items. There are 6, which is even number. So we need to apply n plus 1 by 2 to find median item. 6 plus 1 by 2 is 3.5th item. Now you need to find out what comprises of 3.5th item. It will be an addition of third and fourth item to be divided by 2, which is 230 plus 240 divided by 2, and you get 470 by 2, which is 235. So rupees 235 is the median wage of the following employees in a factory. Let's have a look at another illustration. Here the weight of the students of a class are given as 38, 50, 45, 42, 58, 40 and 37. So how do we find out the median weight? That is, we need to make a table with 2 columns and arrange the data in ascending order. Then check the total number of data points, which is 7 in this case. So this is odd number. So median value would be n plus 1 by 2, which is fourth item. Fourth item is 42. So median weight is 42 kgs. I hope you have understood the estimation of median in individual series. You must have noticed one thing. Whether the data is given in even number or in odd number, we always need to apply n plus 1 by 2 to find the median item. So this you must remember. Next time we shall discuss estimating median in discrete series. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.